Good day, doodlers. Welcome to Draw Cartoons. If you want to learn how to draw the fast and easy way, this is the place to be. We're going to be looking at how to draw the hilarious Furret walking meme today. Thank you very much for the suggestion, my friend. On that note, if you're excited for the release of Pokemon Sword and Shield, throw us a like on this video. And as always, you're going to need a pencil, paper, an eraser, and a Sharpie to go over your sketch. Let's go. Let's get started. But first, if you want to learn to draw the fast and easy way, make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring that bell. Let's begin. So in the center left of your piece of paper or whatever you're drawing on, you want to draw kind of a wide circle like this, just kind of a stretched circle, more of an oval really, if we're bringing in the technical terms. And then from there we're going to start to draw the long body of our Furret. So I'm going to start about here. I'm going to start by swinging quite low like this, and then bringing it right up, way above the head, right up here, and then bringing this big kind of thick sausage shape down and smoothing it out against the head like that. So you end up with this kind of big sausage with a P on the end or something like that if you want to put it in food terms. So we'll draw in the ears next. So I like to draw a big wide ear over here, very very pointy ear over there, pointing in that kind of direction, and then the other ear needs to be pointing way over here, and just bring it back down to the head there. If you want at this stage, you can kind of erase this line if you like. We don't really need any of that anymore, but if you don't want to do that just yet, that's fine. That's completely up to you. It's just the way I prefer to work on this. So now we'll draw in the little arms, these tiny, or legs rather, all little legs, aren't they? So we'll start by drawing a little stumpy one down here, and it's curved back towards the paw itself. It's curved back towards the body. So we're not going to draw in the toes, instead we're just going to draw in a small curve to show where the fur pattern changes as that foot curls towards its belly. And on the other hand, this paw is poking out a little bit this way because he's just about to take a step. So we'll just place that under the head there. We can draw a line along this, give it a nice kind of curve so it looks like it's going around the paw there, and then just two simple little lines at the end to separate the digits of the paw, the fingers for want of a better word, or toes rather, I guess it would be toes, wouldn't it? So now we'll add another foot at the back here, and this one's going to be a bit more burger shaped. So I'm going to place this just kind of resting against that big sausage shape, and then two big lines like that, just kind of sitting on that foot there. So now we'll draw in the face, and I think the best way to do that is to actually start by drawing the fur pattern. So starting along this part of the circle here, we're going to come up like this and then go down towards the middle. Bring it back up over where the other eye is going to go, and then flick it in towards the face just at the end so it looks kind of like a helmet really. And then we'll guide this line up over the shoulder, so to speak, until we get to about here, and then we'll just kind of tuck it in underneath that front leg. Now once you've drawn that, we can go ahead and draw the rest of the face. So there's going to be a nice big circle here for one of the eyes. Make it nice and big, extra cute. The bigger the eyes, the cuter the character is usually. And another circle on this side. Okay, if you want, you can add a bit of shine in each of those eyes. I know I certainly will, just to make our characters' eyes very glossy like they are in the actual picture. And for the mouth, all we have to do is this weird kind of W shape where it's had both of the ends cut off. Very kind of cat-like mouth. You can see that. Very, very simple. It just kind of points up in the middle, but both these sides just kind of level out. And now we have a couple of small brown patches on either side of the face. Let's draw one on this side, and then another couple just kind of hanging on to that side over there. We've got a couple of small bits for the ends of the ears, these kind of dipped patterns. There we go, so just add a small curve on the end of each ear, just like that. And now for the tail. Now this is one of the more challenging aspects of this. Let me just tidy that up a little bit, but I'll walk you through it. So basically what we want is for this, we don't want to just draw stripes along it like this. That's not going to look right. What we want is to kind of emulate that 3D look, because Furret is coming towards us a bit. So to do that, I'm going to start behind this ear, and I'm going to curve this line right around like this, and I'm going to bring it down underneath this arm and finish. Then I'm going to do it again. I'm going to start really, really close, but then I'm going to actually feed this out and bring it out like that. Make it wider as I approach that back paw. So again, I'm going to start quite close, but then thicken out right away and curve it down underneath the body. You see what I'm doing there? It's giving the impression that Furret's body is turned towards us. If we make the lines a little more narrow, as they are here, then it really gives the impression of kind of like a 3D space going on there. So our sketch of Furret is already done. That was nice and quick and easy, really. Apart from that, there's a new trick for you to take away there, a bit of a foreshortening. But yeah, grab your Sharpie and go over all the lines you want to keep. You don't want to keep that one, that's nonsense, don't want that. And maybe you don't want that one. But yeah, go over the lines you want to keep and you'll have your very own really cool drawing of the Furret walking meme. And there you have it. Now you can draw Furret walking pretty much anywhere you like. Down the street, along a bar, between Shrek and Shaggy having the ultimate battle, wherever you like, and your imagination is the limit there. I'd love to see anything that you create, including your memes, over on the Draw Cartoons Discord. You can share any drawings, tips and video ideas as well whenever you want, and absolutely everyone is welcome. Just scroll down, hit that Discord link down there, and that's it. Welcome to the Discord Doodlers, and thanks again for watching. Make sure you drop me a like and subscribe if you want to keep learning to draw the fast and easy way. Until next time.